Oh fuck! Woo! Okay, so we're on the beach right now, and the idea is कि जब इतने winds रहते हैं ना, people are usually paragliding. So we'll be up around 200 feet up in the air. Is it paragliding or parasailing? It's parasailing. Okay. We don't have to take another take. It's fine. Parasailing. But the idea is कि in these winds, I have to do the cardistry I usually do while up in the air about 200 feet, hurtling towards the sea. उसके लिए पहले तो कांच का कंट्रोल सीखना पड़ेगा. So ये height पे I can handle the wind. But if you see the cars start to get out of hand, the further they get away from hand. Okay, so वहाँ पे you can see someone parasailing. We have to go in that height and try and control cards and find 4 aces while in the air at that height, and make sure obviously the cards don't fly out. Because if you see how fast the winds are, 4 पत्ते हाथ से निकल जाएंगे. So काफी टफ होगा. Look at the wind, man. I don't know how to practice for this also. मतलब मैंने look at that. क्या open. There's a boat dragging them up. Let's go ask these guys. भैया आप लोग ही करते हो रहा ये हाइट पे पत्ते वत्ते तो हाथ से गिर जाएंगे ना. कागज के पत्ते वो हाइट पे पॉसिबल है घुमाना हाथ बाद में? नहीं होगा ना. Before we shoot the actual video tomorrow, we're going to try doing a trial run without playing cards, and without the goggles, without the meta goggles on. So I'm just going to go up there and see what the wind pressure is like, और देखेंगे कि actually feasible है करना है नहीं, because I don't want to unnecessarily. तो 50,000 रुपए के goggles है, so I don't want that shit to fucking fly off my face.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's really windy. It is very windy, and I don't know how you're supposed to shuffle cards up in this. I guess one way to practice is to have like a fan on in your face while you're shuffling, but even that doesn't describe the wind. So look at it, there are 5 people struggling to actually hold this one. So yeah, I don't know ये होने कैसे वाला है, but yeah, should be fun to try. Okay, so basically the winds up there are about 4 to 5 times more intense than this, maybe 10 times more also. So my idea was that if I can practice those same tricks in front of this fan, like for example, let's try and King of Hearts ko dekh ke let's try and control it and move it around. Then you can already see that ripples and shuffles get affected by this wind. And if I do something like this, then the wind just pushes the cards away. So a lot of moves become very difficult with wind coming at this rate. Imagine now 5-10 times that plus at a 200 feet height. So practice is chalu hai, but I don't know what the likelihood of being able to execute is. And one more thing I want to point out is I'll be recording my frame of view using my goggles. And goggles ऐसे tight तो है, but 200 feet से अगर समुद्र में चले गए, तो I don't know how much the price is. I'll put the price, but उतना घाटा होने वाला है. So to make sure that these don't fall while parallelly with the wind blowing in my face, I have to make sure that these cards are moving accurately and I'm able to control them. So देखते हैं क्या होता है, कल कर रहे हैं, but I'm going to keep practicing for the next few hours. Hopefully I'll be able to control the cards. Let's try again. Ace of diamonds, put it in the middle, shuffle, and I think itne wind mein it's easier to do it. But let's see with more wind क्या होता है. I have to shuffle these cards and find 4 aces mid-air in this shuffle deck. All right, let's see what happens. Let's start. हाँ सर 2 मिनट के लिए बस. Let's go! All different. Woo! Acha, so bad news, guys. These glasses ended up breaking due to the harness. Luckily, we were able to import footage, but the glasses are not working anymore. If you see the hinge, this is how it's supposed to normally look. और ये देखो यहाँ पे फुल क्रैक हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्नेस हिटिंग द साइड ऑफ द ग्लासेस. एंड नॉर्मल सन ग्लासेस पर फर्क नहीं पड़ता बट बिकॉज दिस इज लाइक अ कंप्यूटर यहाँ पे चिप है तो वो टूट चुका है अभी. तो दुख की बात है बहुत. ट्रिक का कॉस्ट एंड में आई थॉट कम में हो जाएगा बिकॉज वी आर शूटिंग यूजिंग फोन एंड दिस ग्लासेस बट टर्न्स आउट दिस ट्रिक कॉस्ट 50,000 रुपीज टू एग्जीक्यूट बिकॉज ग्लासेस तो फक हो चुकी है. तो आई एम मीटिंग अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. शी गोइंग टू यूएस लेटर तो उसको दे दूंगा ये मैं. बट हाँ RIP ग्लासेस लिख देना कमेंट्स में. एंड मतलब बाकी वीडियो तो अच्छा था बट ये बहुत गम की बात है. कोई नहीं.